I don't know what's going on. About to get this chicken sandwich. I'm pressed. What's good, YouTube? You know, we back, you know. Enough said. Spicy chicken sandwich. So I'm about to do, I just came home for Thanksgiving break from college. And so I was like, man, let me try this Popeyes chicken sandwich because I have never tried it before. Like, all I see is people on Twitter, oh, it's like that, it's better than Chick-fil-A. And I've never had it before, so you know what today is. Hold on. Oops. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. You feel me? Okay. All right. First impression. Let's go. What? Hold on. Oh my goodness. Yo. Damn, they don't even look like, they look okay. The Popeyes I went to is kind of janky, so I don't know. But we gonna see, y'all. All right, and I didn't get no pickles on it because I don't like pickles. Pickles are nasty. So 3, 2, 1, go. Hold on. I couldn't really feel that bite. I have to do another one.
Damn!
Oh yeah. Okay. Woo! And this is a spicy joint too.
Conference. This should be making me like, I'm not making it better. Oh, it's hot.
Okay. This is good, y'all. This is good. It's not like OC, but it's good. Like, and this sauce, I thought I wasn't gonna like the sauce because I know it's some type of mayonnaise sauce, but oh, this spicy too. Oh yeah, this ain't straight. Now I don't know if it's better than Chick-fil-A.
Oh, hell no!
I don't know. This ain't pretty good. I mean, the sauce is okay. Like, I'm supposed to be doing a review. I keep enjoying my food. I'm sorry, y'all. All right. So, my honest review of the sandwich, if I had to give it a grade, if I had to give this a grade, I would probably give this A-, B+. Like, the sandwich is good. Like, the bread is nice and soft. When you bite into it, it's got that crunch. Like, I like that. You know, it's Popeyes chicken, so it is good, but I think it was a little bit overhyped. Like, that first bite, don't get me wrong, it was good, but I don't know. Like, this is a good sandwich. It's spicy too. Ooh. Bear with me, y'all. Woo! I'm doing hot. Woo! It's like, no, I'm jazzing it. Ain't that hot. But yeah, I mess with it. Like, I think it's straight. But I don't know. It was good, but I don't think it was. I don't know. I feel like I was expecting more. It is a good sandwich, though. I do like the bread. The sauce is okay. It's not a bad sauce. To be honest, I don't really taste nothing for real. Like with the sauce, but I would give this an A-. This is good, y'all. To be honest, I think. Hold on, one more bite. I think Chick-fil-A's still better. I think Chick-fil-A's better. Just the consistency, like the bread is good, chicken, but the sauce is it's not bad. It's just spicy. And I'm not really like a big spicy person like that, but I think the Popeyes chicken sandwich is good. Like, oh yeah. Hey yo, that joint's spicy, bro. This thing is spicy. Excuse me, I can't do it, y'all. It's too spicy. But because people was telling me that the regular and the spicy were different, so I don't. But all in all, this is a really good chicken sandwich. This is a good chicken sandwich. It's just spicy. But yep, so that's really it. So hope y'all have a good Thanksgiving. And I'll talk to y'all later. Mike Buckets, we out. I'm just playing. We gonna keep talking, y'all. Shoot. Still gotta finish this little. Like, I don't know why. This one more spicy than I thought. Whew. Excuse me. Ooh. Yeah, this ain't spicy. I know y'all see the waves swimming. You feel me? Gotta stay right. You feel me? Yeah. Ooh. Oh, let me stop. But good chicken sandwich. I mess with the vibe. You feel me? Spicy chicken sandwich is mine. So I would like to say thank y'all for watching. Make sure you wait. Hold on. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We got more bangers coming, I promise y'all. I'm sorry I haven't really been uploading like that. I've been slacking, that's my fault. But I promise I got y'all with the bangers. We out.